Keurig K-Duo Plus Coffee Maker with single-serve K-Cup pot and 12-cup Carafe Brewer, black, 12-cup thermal Carafe and 15 K-Cup pods included. What's in the box? 12-cup thermal Carafe, 15 K-Cup pods included with your brewer. Brew a cup and a Carafe. Use both ground coffee and K-Cup pods. Strong brew. Brew a stronger, more intense single cup and Carafe. Multiple brew sizes. Brew a 6, 8, 10, or 12-cup Carafe and a 6, 8, 10, or 12 ounces cup. Multi-position 60 odds. Water reservoir can be positioned to the right, left, or along the back of the brewer to optimize counter space. 12-cup thermal Carafe included with your brewer and keeps coffee warm for up to 2 hours. Programmable Carafe auto-brew. Program your coffee maker to automatically brew a Carafe up to 24 hours in advance. Pause and pour. Automatically pauses your coffee maker mid-brew for 20 seconds, allowing the Carafe to be poured. Smart Start. Your coffee maker heats, then brews in one simple process. No need to wait for it to heat before selecting your cup size. Energy efficient. Auto-off feature turns your brewer off 5 minutes after the last brew to save energy. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.